Please look at me. Look at me.
You actually think I would trust you with the last few ounces of yellow wolfsbane?
I'm your daughter. I'm an Argent.
But still one of them?
So you gave it all to her? You gave it to Monroe?
Oh, I kept enough for one last bullet. That bullet.
We got another one here.
I don't know if he's dead. But he definitely looks vulnerable.
It's over now, Kate. Everything fell into place.
Not everything. It's time to put the guns down.
What are you talking about?
Scott's still alive and he knows how to save them. All of them.
Hide in the library, Scott. Hiding from me. Open your eyes, Scott. You think you can fight me, but you can't. Your friends are gone. They saw my face and it drove them insane. They're gone because of you. You failed them.
You failed everyone. Especially her. Especially Alisa. Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
Scott. Open them, Scott. All you have to do is open your eyes.
Your fear is different, Scott. There's power underneath. Your power. Your fear brings me freedom. I won't be trapped again. I won't be caught and caged ever again. Not ever. Open your eyes. Open them. I know how to fight you. And I know how to get you.
What do you want me to do?
Just shoot him. Shoot both of them.
You can't beat me. I'm not afraid of you. Not anymore.
One in the head and one in the heart.
Copy.
Even if the yellow wolfsbane was just meant to weaken him, Scott figured it out. Like he always does.
You wanted enough power so that you can never be trapped again. You wanted the power of a shapeshifter like me. But that comes with all the rules of being a shapeshifter. We have weaknesses. And we have lines that we can't cross.
Mountain.
Is it over?
Now it's over.
Good to see you, Coach.
You too, Jackson. It hurts.